my Faye, welcome to MaiMoments, the best channel for makeup and hair tutorial and also products review. I can't wait to share with you this DIY. It's a rose box DIY and oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's perfectly for any occasions and for anybody. It's amazing gift and it's only cost less than $5, you guys. So I'm going to show you in detail. Let's get started. The products that we are going to need is the glue guns and a mini glue stick. This is my favorite. Then also a dry foam. This is 1.8 by 3.9 inches. And also this fake flowers that I got from AliExpress. So I'm going to link that information below. This roses was left over from the DIY I did earlier, which is the rose Hello Kitty. If you have not watched that, then you can check out this video right here. The next products we are going to use is the trim Bordure. This is going to make our box look more luxurious. The last products we are going to need is this heart box. I got it from this Michael's Art and Craft. And by the way, the color was not black, so I have to spray paint it. I'm going to use this quick colors and shake it well before spraying. And by the way, this heart box came in like this, so we have to make it more fancy. And make sure you are going to have some cardboard underneath, so whenever you're using this spray paint, it's not going to dirty your surface. And wear a glove because if you don't, it's going to get all over your fingers. So first I'm going to spray paint it on the side, then I'm going to work on the bottom surface and make sure it's going to be even coated. If you see the spot that it looks shiny, that means it's still wet, so make sure you don't want to touch it. Let's move on to the cap. I'm going to use the same method as spraying the black paint all over. I'm just going to work from the outside first and I'm going to work in the inside later once it's dry. Wait at least 5 to 10 minutes. Once it completely dry, it should look something like this. Now we are going to spray paint it from the inside. Just in case if you did not have spray paint, you can always use face paint and paint over it. And seriously, I am almost running out of spray paint, so every time I have to do this, I really have to shake the bottle like crazy in order for it to work. If you see any spot that is uneven colors, then go ahead and apply a second coat to it. Once again, make sure to wear gloves because the spray paint did get all over my hands. Make sure to leave the box outside for 15 minutes before bringing it in because the scent is kind of strong. Let's begin. Take the bottom box and place it on top of the dry foam. Adjust it accordingly, then press it down on both sides. The extra excess of the dry foam will pop out automatically. Can you see the excess of the dry foam basically leaving in the outer part of the box? Basically just go ahead and grab a wet towel and we are going to dust that off. Now it's time to place the beautiful fake flowers on top of the dry foam. I'm going to apply the glue right on the bottoms of this rose and I'm going to start in the middle first. Press the rose firmly down for 5 seconds so it can be secure. Following with the second rose, I'm going to place it on the right side and I'm trying to create a heart and that's why I'm going to place it a little bit higher than the one that I placed before. Continue on with the heart shapes. I'm going to continue creating a patterns. So this time is a little bit lower, but it's actually curved inward. I do recommend for you to start an outline first before you're going to work in the middle. Because I did exactly the opposite, which means that I placed another flowers right in the middle. I should just go ahead and do the outline because I would end up having to take that part out later on. Now I'm going to work on the other side, make sure that two sides is symmetrical. So I'm going to add 3 flowers onto the side. Then I'm going to go back to the right side where I was working on. I'm going to place another one. Then lastly, I'm going to add one more on the bottoms. This is going to be the end point of the heart. To finish off the outline of the left side, I just need to add 2 more of the fake rose. Make sure to give it some space and pull out the petals so whenever you are going to place the rose, it's going to look really nice and fluffy. As mentioned before, I should not have any rose in the middle, so now I have to start fresh and so I have to take it out. Let's begin grabbing one and I'm going to place all the way on the left side. Then I'm going to follow the same step as placing another rose all the way toward the right. And press it down gently, making sure it's secure before you are going to release it. And I'm going to place another one right in the middles between the 2 roses that I placed earlier. And lastly, I'm going to squeeze my way right in the middles between everything and secure it in place. And ta-da! We are halfway done. It looks so beautiful and nice. Let's make this rose box more luxurious. So I'm going to place this ribbon all around. I'm just wrapping it around, then I'm using a scissor to cut off the excess. I did not realize that these ribbons are some type of sticker, which means I just need to peel out the bottom part of the paper and it becomes sticky. Basically, I learned the hard way. Using this hot glue would not help the ribbon to stay. Finally, here is the correct way. Peel out the bottom layer, and now we are going to review the tape, and we are going to place it right in the middle of this heart box. Oh my gosh, the box is dripping with diamonds and it's such a beautiful rim. Since I'm extra, I also had to add some diamonds also on the rims of the top box. Make sure to press it firmly, and if you want an extra secure, I do recommend for you to use hot glue, but if it stayed, then go ahead just to use this ribbon by itself. For several days, I realized that the band did become loose, so I have to add hot glues toward the ends and also the beginning. By the way, in order to complete this rose box, you will need 16 roses. This gift is perfect for any occasions. It is super easy and really fun to make. Also, this project is very affordable. It's cost me less than $5. I hope you found this DIY helpful. Even if you're not going to make it for somebody, you can definitely make it for yourself. And yes, girl, we earned a rose box. And it's going to be perfect decorations for your office, for your makeup, your vanity, wherever you're going to place them. There's another 2 video waiting for you to click. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for more notifications, and be part of the family. And also comment below what you want to see next. Give this video a like. And as always, love yourself, stay motivated, peace out.